Hey, let's be honest for a second. You know that feeling when your current rig almost keeps up, but never quite feels like a partner in your performance? That's exactly where this starts, with the Skytech Gaming Aqua. This is for the kind of person who refuses to tolerate almost. You notice tiny stutters in key moments. You feel texture pop-ins before anyone else even mentions them. You've already grown past making excuses for your hardware because deep down you can feel when it's holding you back. Before anything else, take a moment to check the current price and availability. Desktops like this don't stick around forever, and hesitation usually turns into regret later. There's a very specific upgrade moment you'll recognize. You fire up your favorite game or drop into a heavy workload and brace for the usual compromises: heat spikes, frame dips, that subtle lag that creeps in when you least want it. And then, nothing. Performance stays clean, consistent, calm. That's the instant you realize you've been settling for too long. Once you step away from systems that cough under pressure, the relief is immediate. You stop adjusting settings every time you launch something demanding. You stop worrying about whether you should close background apps. You stop planning your day around hardware limits. You feel it during marathon play sessions where the machine hums along instead of begging for mercy. You feel it when rendering, editing, and multitasking all happen without hesitation. You feel it in everyday tasks too, because even basic use feels smoother when the entire foundation is strong and stable. This isn't about chasing specs for bragging rights. It's about how natural everything feels. The system responds before you even finish thinking, "I wish this was faster." If you're even remotely considering it, don't wait for stock swings or unpredictable price jumps. High-end pre-builts tend to disappear quietly, with availability dropping right when you decide to think about it. You might hesitate because deep down you're used to dialing back expectations. That hesitation usually fades the moment you experience performance that doesn't make you second-guess every new game or project. The surprise benefit shows up over time. You gain confidence in your rig. You don't dread updates or new titles. You face them excitedly, knowing your system can handle the challenge. Owning something built at this level gives you a quiet pride. You know you chose power that matches your ambition, without compromise. Games feel locked and smooth loads happen without waiting. Everything stays stable under stress, feels built to last, not just good enough. Your setup finally feels premium, not the cheapest option. RGB might distract some. Eventually you stop comparing every build and realize you've been circling this one for a reason. That's the moment you choose the thing you already wanted. Don't let this become the upgrade you postpone and still think about months later. If this aligns with how hard you push your machine, check availability now and make the move with confidence.